Hello, lovely Dylusionists. I'm at the seaside house, coming to the seaside house. I'm not in the studio. In fact, there is where is he? There's Mr. Boo looking out the window, and there's the seaside at the back. So, news of classes at Ranger in November. Now, this is a slightly strange video because I actually did this video, or so I thought, 4 days ago, and filmed all the video, etc., in my studio before I left to come here. And then I've just gone to send it to Emmy, and and there was no video. And apparently, instead of pressing start, I took a photo at the beginning, did the whole video, and then took another photo. Only me. So there's no video, there was just 2 photos. I've got to do it all again. But I'm at the seaside house, so I don't have anything with me. I don't have a lot of props. Like, I've got nothing I can show you. But anyway, so 2 weekends at Ranger U. Okay, at Ranger in Tinton Falls, New Jersey. Okay, I will be there the first 2 weeks in November. So the first weekend is the 4th, 5th and 6th of November. I'm flying in on Halloween, would you believe? I land in the afternoon, and I can't remember if I've been there for Halloween before. I'm sure I must have been. So the first weekend is the 4th, 5th and 6th, and the second weekend is the following weekend, 10th, 11th, 12th. But I'm doing Saturday, Sunday, Monday for the first weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for the second weekend. When I've got 2 weekends together, I try to give as little space in between. So because a lot of people come to both weekends, they come and, and they stay for both weekends, etc. So the first one will finish on the Monday and the second one will start on the Friday. Okay. So at Ranger U, one of the great things, apart from the fact it's a wonderful class, one of the good things is the hotel is just across the parking lot. So you can fall out of bed and fall into Ranger, which is really useful. So that's really fun to do. We'll do a tour again. If you've never been, never worry about coming on your own. We always get people who come on their own. We only allow nice people in, so it's fine. You'll make lots and lots of friends. Some people have been before to Ranger, some have been to Stampers Anonymous, whichever. It's a similar theme at both. It's just slightly different. One is the stamping mothership, and one is the inking and Dylusions mothership. So everything like that. I don't know why. I think because I won't be able to remember what I've said and what I haven't said. So do excuse this video. I'll try my best. So the first video is holidays, Dylusional holidays. Okay, I've called it holidays because I don't want anybody who celebrates Christmas to feel left out. Okay, I celebrate Christmas, so I do a lot of Christmas, but I do a lot of stuff that is more holidays, not Christmas. Okay, so you're going to learn how to paint trees. You don't have to turn them into Christmas trees, but you're going to learn how to paint trees. You're going to learn how to paint snowmen. Again, snowmen are not Christmas. They can be all, not all year round, but the winter. I do a lot of winter stuff, a lot with snowflakes, a lot with stars, things like that. Now, some things are Christmas. If I put a Santa Claus on, it's Christmas, but you don't have to do that. We're going to be doing stamping. We're going to be doing Christmas collage, which again, I say Christmas collage, most of it is birds, isn't it, with crowns on, so they're not necessarily Christmas. We'll have to call it holiday collage. We are going to be putting some of the couture in there. We are going to, there's all sorts, and I can't show you anything. I did take a lot of photos. I always send Emmy a lot of photos when I do a video. So I think she's going to add them to the end of this video to give you an idea. Now, they are only an idea. They are not, this is what we're going to do this weekend. I always send her a large variety. so she can just add some in there. So please don't think we're going to get all this done this weekend, because we're not. There's lots of Christmas, lots of holiday stencils we're going to do. We're going to do, like I said, we're going to do the stamping. You're going to learn how to paint. Hello, boo. You're going to learn how to paint. You're going to learn how to shade. And we're going to do lots of things like that. So that's the first weekend, okay? It's the Saturday the 4th, Sunday the 5th, Monday the 6th of November, okay? Now, the second weekend, I don't have anything to show you because it's top secret. I know. Ranger, don't watch this video. Don't watch this video because I've got a new product launch and I can't really talk about it till it's launched because it's so exciting. It's something that I've never really seen anybody else do it like I do. I used to always do it about 20 years ago with this product and the way that I use it. And there's a big, it's quite a big launch. I think there's something like, hang on, let me think, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 products in there without stamps. So it's quite a large launch, but I can't talk about it, but it's really, really exciting. And that's what the second weekend is going to be about. We're going to use it in the journals, but we're also going to decorate the outsides of the journals with them as well. So it's for outside, it's for making with frames, it's for doing, doing mixed media things, but you can also use a lot of it inside the journals. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to be using in the Black Dot journal, we're going to be using in the Classics journal. We're going to use those two in the Christmas one as well, in the holiday one as well. We're going to use both journals in those. Everything is provided. I will tell you what I'm doing involves a heat gun. It does involve a heat gun, but I can't tell you anything else except it's shimmery and it's gorgeous and it's, trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one. I will give you more hints the nearer it gets, but the launch might not be until about 2 weeks before the class. Okay, so I don't know what to say to you. It's just, it's just gorgeous. Trust me, and you will absolutely love it. It's very Dylusional. It's something you've not seen me do in the last 20 years. Some of my older British fans might remember. But yes, and I'll give you a clue. Diamonds. It's not diamond art. Diamond. That's what I'm going to give you a clue. Rocks. Dust. Okay, can't say any more. But that is the second weekend, and that is the Friday the 10th of November, Saturday the 11th of November, Sunday the 12th of November, okay? Registration starts at 9:30 on the first day. Class starts at 10 and we do 10 till 5 on the first day. Second day we do 10 till 5 and then we have a break where we have dinner and then it's free play in the classroom till 8 o'clock. I used to do it till later, but everybody was falling asleep because I do work you really hard. And then the final day, it's 10 till 4 because a lot of people have to go off and collect get the planes and stuff like that. So we do 10 till 4 on the final day. Everything is included. All you need to do is bring some paint pens or some gel pens, just some pens that you like doodling with. Always bring a black and a white pen. But yeah, paint pens and gel pens are really good to do. Everything else is totally provided. The journals are provided, the stamps are provided, the collages, everything, the new top secret stuff is provided. Everything is provided. You will be, if you're in the second weekend, if you're in the top secret weekend, you will be the first people to ever use it, apart from me. Okay, you will be the ones to do it there. food is provided. I do coffee and like a crumb cake on a morning, every morning. There's usually a bowl of fruit that I provide. At lunchtime, that's always provided. Sometimes we have soups from Olive Garden, sometimes we have pizza, sometimes we have subs. And then the middle night, so on the first weekend it'll be the Sunday, on the second weekend it'll be the Saturday, we have dinner. I provide dinner as well. Drinks are all invited, cold drinks, water, fizzy, coffee, tea. I provide everything. You just have to turn up with your paint pens or your gel pens and a good sense of humour and a big smile. That's it. That's all you need to do. The shopping, you'll be able to shop while you're there. If you shop too much, we can ship it back for you. That's not a problem. You know, so there's plenty to, it's just going to be great fun. And what I was going to say is, last time at Ranger, we turned the classroom the other way around. We had more space and we went down and we can fit 30 people now, and we've cured the bell. The alarm used to go off all the time. In fact, I think we had 32 at the last Ranger, so we can fit 36, but don't leave it too late because it does fill up. It does fill really quickly. A lot of people do both. Some people just do one. Whatever suits you. We will do Facebook groups for each of these classes and go in there, chat to the people in there, because you might be able to share rides from the airport. You know, things like that. That's what happened last time. People took flights together, you know, and they became firm friends. So go in there, build up the excitement. I will try to drop you some sneaky hints in there of the second weekend, because I can't drop them anywhere else. But if I drop the hints, don't be telling people. Do not be spoiled. We've been working on this for a couple of years now, and I was hoping it was going to be out in the summer, but we weren't quite ready, so we will be ready. It's all done, and it will release just a couple of weeks before you come. And like I say, I just know you're going to love it, because I love it. You know what it's like. So there you go, 2 weekends at Ranger, Tinton Falls, in the first 2 weeks in November. So 2 weeks before Thanksgiving, so you've got plenty of time then. I can't come any earlier because it's Martha's birthday. So I will be travelling. I'm travelling on Halloween. I can't believe it. I'll be landing. The witch is back. That's what Ranger will do. I bet if they send a car for me, there'll be a sign going, witch's car. In fact, I don't need a flight. I should just go in on my broomstick. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. So Emmy's going to put a couple of pictures on the end of this video, but they're only of the holiday one because I can't give you any pictures of the top secret one. All the details are up above. Go onto my website, book them on the website, okay? Check everything first, check you can get flights, etc., before you book, because unfortunately I can't refund. If you can't make it, we always try and sell your class on, but we can only sell it on if the class is for, you know, we try our best to do that. I do try to accommodate you. So, you know, check things like that. We haven't got the block booking for the hotel yet because the person who's organising it, and it's a different person this time. The last person did a bit of a muck up. It's a different person. They are away, but we will get the normal, I think it's 129. Don't quote me, but we will get the normal. There's no raise or anything like that. So yeah. Now, hopefully this is videoed and it's not just 2 photographs. You never know. You know what I'm like. Okay. Mwah! Bye. I'm going back to the seaside.